It's Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, so you can subscribe. The button is always down below. Post video, lifestyle, panning, and more. And today I am super excited to be bringing you my yearly rolling project pan finale. Super crazy to be here, and I am so excited, so ready for a refresh in 2022. And I have so many plans for my projects. I did mention on my Instagram story the other day, if you're not following me, at Katiexobeauty YT, go follow. Love it over there. But I did mention that I kind of have like notes in my computer of like all my project pan plans, projects I'm planning on participating. I'd love to hear what projects you guys are participating in and stuff. Of course, that'll be a video for a later date, but I did kind of want to share that, I guess, a little bit and stuff. But I'm excited to be bringing you my 2021 yearly finale. So in this year, I had 6 products rolling in this project. Though 6 was a good number. For my 2022 project, I'm kind of toying with 6 and 10 because I originally was going to do a 10 pan as my like year-long project, or like I guess more of my main projects. Some of the projects I will be participating in will be other year-long projects, and have this be my main, like some use up goals, some number goals, some like pan goals or whatever. But I'm kind of toying with how many products I will put in that project. Usually all the other projects I participate in are more like 5, 3 to 6 products. So I'm toying with the idea. I really am, but we'll see. That's a video for the later date. Anyways, let's focus on our 2021 project. So I'm really excited to bring you the finale. Of course, I've worked on these products all year long. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to save the exciting one for last. I'm just going to start out. I believe I added this in November. That's the last time I did an update and stuff. And this is the Tarte Salt Life lipstick. I just want to start using this up. This is what it looks like. Haven't really had too much usage on this. I have only used it 3 times. But I think for 3 uses, I don't know how much more was in this, but that's pretty decent, and I can see this rolling into some sort of project next year. I don't know if I will have rollover products in this year. I actually haven't picked my products yet. I think I'm going to do that today or tomorrow. I think I'm going to film my projects possibly this weekend. We'll kind of see, I guess. I did hit somewhat of usage on this, and I definitely want to use up some of my mini lipsticks next year. I kind of took a break off of lip products from panning this year. I panned them on and off, but it wasn't like full on panning using up. But yeah, I have gotten a little bit of usage on this, and we'll see what 2022 brings. So next, this one I've almost hit my goal on. This is the Rare Beauty blush in Adore. I love this blush. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I don't know, really not much visible progress, just scratchings, that kind of stuff. But I have used this 14 times. My goal was to use it 15 times, and I am almost there. I am 1 usage off, and say I use this tomorrow, I will hit my goal. So just based off of filming, and I'm only filming this a couple of days before New Year's Eve, I would hit my goal. I have no idea when I get this up. I want to get this up like ASAP, but we'll see if that happens. We'll see what happens, honestly, but I am almost to my goal. So I'm proud that I am almost to my goal, and just 1 more usage and I will hit that goal. This is really fun to pan, and I just wanted to do a number goal with this just because I wanted to get more use out of this. I have more of these. I actually have smaller versions of this as well. So this is possibly something I would add into a project next year, but I am proud to have almost hit my goal. And I think before the end of the year, I will hit my goal anyways. So yeah, that's fun. So next, I haven't had too much usage on this, but I have used this 4 times. This is the Milk Makeup Highlighter in Rose Gold, or I guess it's called Blitzed. This is what it's looking like. I've made progress. Like, I think the pattern, you can't really tell as much. I use this as eyeshadow. I've used this as a highlighter. I'm not like, I kind of wanted I I kind of wanted to, I added this in originally because I wasn't sure how I felt about it. I used to like not like it. I'm not really sure still my opinions on this, but I have like worn off the pattern of the product a little bit. So I guess that's something. But I have only used this 4 times and stuff. I don't know if this will roll. I don't know if this will be in a project next year, but I'm definitely going to be rotating through highlighters and projects for sure next year, and we'll see where I go. But I'm happy with the progress that I did get on this. So another highlighter, this one I do want to use up, and this will probably rotate through some sort of project. I might take a break, but then I think I will rotate this through. This is the e.l.f. Jelly highlighter. I just really want to use this up because it's from like 2018, and of course cream products just go by faster and stuff, so I do want to kind of try and get usage on this. It doesn't look that like there's a ton left. I have maybe a 3-ish, 4-ish months left of usage with this. Not really much and stuff. I have used this a ton of times. I wasn't tracking the number usage of this, but I have used this. I mean, I have it as my highlight today, and I think it's really gorgeous. I have been real into like cream blush, cream highlight, cream bronzer this year, so this is one of those things that I'm real into, and I definitely can see this rolling into a project next year. I do like it, and it was fun to pan, I guess. So then in the, I think it was the last update, I added this lotion in, and it's hard to tell where my usage is. I marked it there, but it looks like it's there, but there's also lotion stuck up here, so it's hard to tell where this is at. But this is the 1000 Wishes Bath & Body Works lotion. These are definitely going to be staples in next year's project. This will be one of the items, whether it's this lotion or another one. I think I might focus on another one next year, at least for the first half of the year. But these will definitely be going into projects to try and use them up. I am going to be incorporating other random things in mostly my own yearly project pan. I will be incorporating stuff like this in and stuff, but I have used it a little bit. I didn't mark it originally because originally it was basically all the way full and it didn't look like it had usage. So that's why I don't have it marked. But you know, I made some usage on it. I think I will be rolling this on, rolling something else. And like I said, I haven't picked my 2022 rolling project pan items yet, but I will probably soon. And yeah, and we have one last item. So this is the Bite Beauty lip mask. I had used this all year round. This is a long haul item. I wasn't expecting, I guess, initially adding this in, I wasn't necessarily expecting this to take me all year to use. So it's very interesting that this took me so long. Like, I felt like it took me way longer, which I know a lot of people say this is a long haul item, just using in general usage. But I wasn't expecting to pan this all year round, which I did. Then I ended up depotting it from this. I lost the jar that it was in for a second. But this, I depotted it into this. And you can see there's like tiny itsy bits of this left, but I'm calling this done. I worked on it all year, and depotting it, using it, I feel like I got my money's worth out of it. And my mini review, which I will be filming in Ebates. I'm honestly debating on filming it after this video. I don't think I'll be repurchasing this, but I'm going to save my full like kind of response for that video. But I will be cleaning this little jar up, and I will be using it again. I love saving little jars. This held something I panned earlier this year, which is the Lush lip scrub that I was panning in the Roulette Pan Collab round 8, and then into the beginning of this project. And yeah, this is where I ended up with all these products. It's crazy and stuff, and I just love looking back on my like usage for this year. Like, I had used so many things that I forgot about. Like, I had the First Aid Beauty Primer in here earlier this year and I finished it. I had 1000 Wishes this year and I finished it. I had my Kathleen Lights Super Shock Shadow, the gold one, in this, and I finished that. I finished the Phase Zero eyeshadow. I believe I finished a ColourPop highlight, which is crazy. These are like all things that I forgot about and stuff. I'm actually going to put a number on the screen of how many things I actually fully panned and used up this year, because it's crazy to even think about. Like, I definitely used up at least 5 or 6 things in this project exclusively. Next year though, I feel I'm going to be better about like showing you guys monthly updates, taking pictures, doing whatever. I'm really bad at that. And I feel like a lot of panners are. Like, we just forget to take pictures. And I want to track almost like my makeup usage more next year, like dollar amounts to share, because I always find that interesting. And I've done that to an extent because I used to save all my project pan items, and then at the end of the year, get rid of them, like throw them out. And stuff, so I would get the usage that way. And yeah, this is it for my yearly project pan for this year. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know how your progress has been on your projects this year. Where'd you end up? If you have a video of it, let me know down below, or if you do it on Instagram, let me know down below and I'll go check it out. But I love seeing like other people's finales. Finales and intros are probably my favorite videos for panning to watch all year long. Like, they're just so fun and I love it. Absolutely love it. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. Have so much coming up, so many New Year videos, so many end of the year videos, and that kind of stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.